Everybody hates cutting insulation. It can be a messy job, but the Festool ISC will absolutely revolutionize your perception of cutting insulation of any type. My name is Alan. Welcome to Festool TV. The Festool ISC is a cordless 18-volt saw focused to cutting insulation efficiently and accurately. The ISC is supplied with the W blade, which is focused to cutting mineral and natural fiber insulation. Please have a look at our other video on cutting those types of insulations. If you want to cut solid PIR type insulation, then you will need an additional blade set, the SG240G, or what I call the G blade. SG is for the blade set, where you'll get the blade and riving knife, which is what you will need to get you going. And then as the blades need replacing, you can just get replacement blades separately. 240 is the depth of material that you can cut with the blade, and G is to signify that the blade is focused for cutting solid PIR insulation. This blade looks like a traditional jigsaw blade. There is also the SG350G, which is the set for cutting up to 350mm thick insulation. But the SG240G is the most used, as few applications demand thicker insulation than 240mm. The G blade is used with the guide rail slide, allowing you to either cut freehand or to use the ISC in conjunction with the Festool guide rail system for straight, accurate cuts. The other adapter plate that you get with the ISC is for use with the W blade set for mineral and natural wood slab type insulation. When fitting and handling the blade sets, please always first remove the battery from the ISC, wear cut resistant gloves, and keep the blade guard on. Unlock the gate by turning the dial anti-clockwise and open it. Turn the blade lock paddle forward towards the front of the jigsaw and hold the blade set at a 30-degree angle and support the blade. Insert the blade into the pendulum, and when it is fully inserted, start to twist the blade flat whilst aligning the holes on the riving knife with the ferrules on the ISC, seating the riving knife in place. You can now turn the blade locking paddle back. The gate can be closed. Start to tighten the gate in place by turning the dial clockwise, but don't tighten all the way. Insert the sliding base, orientating the cutting guide in front, pushing it from the bottom of the blade, seating it firmly into place, with the locking arms clipped into place like this. The gate can now be shut completely, holding the blade set and adapter in place with your thumb, locking the plate and tightening the thumb screw. You are now ready to cut solid PR insulation with super efficiency and accuracy. To help control the waste that is generated when cutting PR insulation, extraction can be used on the ISC. The front shroud can be dropped to enclose the front area to improve extraction. Here the Festool system really comes into play, because you can use the Festool Bluetooth batteries to pair with one of our Bluetooth compatible extractors to have the extractor turn on every time you use the ISC. The ISC has a safety switch to prevent accidental engagement. Double tap the switch to start the cutting action. You can cut freehand, or you can place a guardrail on top of the insulation to achieve straight cuts very quickly and easily. The ISC is available in two versions, the basic or the plus set. With the basic, you'll get the ISC in a sustainer with a W blade set, adapter plate and guardrail adapter. In the plus set, you'll also get two high-powered Bluetooth 4-amp lithium-ion batteries, as well as the TCL6 charger. If you want to qualify for Festool guarantee of 3 years free servicing and repairs, 10-year spare parts guarantee, and 3-year theft insurance, then please register your new Festool within 30 days of purchase to qualify for Festool's warranty all-inclusive package. Thank you for watching Festool TV.